Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today day 88 and we have ahi today, so doing the DVIC right now before we head out to the loading zone to grab our packages. Today we have 186. Yeah, I have to switch routes so I can take care of Evo Place because yeah, that's usually my area and I'm used to it. Yeah, so this was the longest driveway I've ever been to. You go down and then you turn, then you turn more down, which there's construction happening. So that was, whew, God, that driveway killed me. It was like going down and take a right more down, and then the house is over there. But it was steep. For that person that's been taking care of Aiea Heights, or for those who has been taken care of, who haven't taken care of Aiea Heights, I salute you guys. This is not an easy route, especially with all these walkings uphills. Oh, I guarantee the first couple of stops I had in Aiea Heights, oh, they got my legs. They got my legs, man. They got my legs. I got rescued from Addie. Thank you, Addie. And then now I'm here rescuing Taylor. I'm gonna take all the McGrew loop stuffs and then yeah, finish up. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we are done for the day. DVIC done, return, RTS, and everything all good. Shout out to the closers tonight, Sefo and Kyrie. You guys doing great. Amazing job, you guys. And yeah, shout out to Taylor and Addie. And shout out to the skateboarder.